Good evening and welcome to the first video of cooking live fire with Grandpa's Pride. It's going to be a hot mess, y'all. Roll the intro. Morning everyone, this is Jeff with live fire cooking with Grandpa's Pride. So this is going to be my first attempt at making a channel, so I'm sure there will be all kinds of interesting little goof ups and faux pas along the way. But today, as an introduction and a starter, I'm going to season my newest pit. It's from Shirley Fabrication out of Tuscaloosa, Alabama, God's country. And if you want to see a really good video on how to season this type of pit, go over to Fam Eats on YouTube. Scott O'Brien does a lot of work with this pit, so I'm not going to record seasoning the pit because, well, you can see it there and he does a really good job with it. But the goal of this channel is basically to take people who are maybe new to live fire cooking. By live fire, I mean using direct fire, smoking, grilling, things along those nature. And people that are just new to it or maybe just want to see a different perspective, I'll give credit to all the people that I cite, as well as I'm kind of a nerd, so I'm into the food science thing a lot, so I'll do some stuff with that. I've done a little background. I've done some professional barbecue competitions myself with my team Grandpa's Pride. We competed for about 3-4 years on the circuit, Florida Barbecue Association and Kansas City Barbecue Society. We did okay. We never really did great, but we had fun, and that's the important thing. The one thing I want to say about this channel, barbecue is not rocket science, okay? It's sort of like sex. Even if it's not that good, it's still pretty good. So it's just about having fun with what you're doing, not getting so wrapped up in the technique. There's some important things in technique, but you gotta have fun while you're doing it. Otherwise, why bother? So stay tuned. Hey guys, so that's the start of it. So if you would do me a favor, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'll be doing more of these videos as they come along, and hope you guys enjoy them. Give me some feedback. Like I said, it's going to be kind of a hot mess for a while till I really figure all this video stuff out, but I'm having fun doing it, so that's what counts. Anyway, talk to you later.